About the author, Kevin Kwan, born 1973 or 1974, is a Singaporean-born American novelist and writer of satirical novels Crazy, Rich Asians, China, Rich Girlfriend, and Rich People Problems. His latest book, Lies and Weddings, was released in June 2024. In 2014, Wan was named as the one of the five writers to watch on the list of Hollywood's most powerful authors published by the Hollywood Reporter. In 2018, Wan made Time Magazine's list of 100 most influential people and was inducted into the Asian Hall of Fame. About literary text, Rich People Problems by Kevin Kwan is a satirical exploration of wealth and privilege within Asia's elite. The story centers on the young family as they deal with a dying matriarch, which sparks a battle for a family inheritance and reveals deep-seated rivalries and secrets.
Once, writing blends humor with sharp social commentary, highlighting the extravagance of super-rich while exposing their vulnerabilities and insecurities. The novel also examines themes of identity, family, loyalty, and the complexities of love, amidst a backdrop of opulence and cultural expectation. This installment in Kwan's trilogy continues to blend drama and comedy, providing a vivid portrayal of contemporary high society. Author's writing purpose: make fun of rich people. He uses funny stories and exaggerated situations to show how rich people live and what they care about. He thinks some of their ways are silly and wasteful. Exploration of cultural identity. The book shows what it's like to be Chinese American, especially when money and status are important in your family and culture. Entertain people. The book is fun to read. It has fancy parties, exciting places, and lots of family drama that makes you want to keep reading. But the book also talks about how money is changing. The book shows how rich people are becoming more connected around the world and how power is shifting within rich families. How many affects genre. Rich People Problems by Kevin Kwan falls primarily into the genre of contemporary fiction, specifically within the subgenres of satire and social commentary. It explores themes of wealth, privilege, and family dynamics among the elite, often with humor and sharp observation about the high society. Plot summary: Rich People Problems by Kevin Kwan is a third book in the Crazy Rich Asians trilogy. It follows the dramatic lives of Asian wealthy families, centering around the impending death of Shang Suyi, the matriarch of the young family, in the fight over the vast fortune. The novel opens with the revelation that Suyi, Nick's young grandmother, is gravely ill. Family members from all over the world to her bedside, each with their own agenda, primarily to secure a piece of her inheritance. The main conflict center of Tearsall Park, the family's historic mansion in Singapore, which is the most prized asset in Suyi's estate. Nick, who has been estranged from his grandmother due to family disputes returns to reconcile with her. Meanwhile, his fiancée Rachel stands by him as they navigate the family politics. Astrid, Nick's cousin, continues her complicated relationships with her ex-husband, Michael, in the paparazzi who relentlessly follow her. Kitty Pong, a former soap opera star, struggles to gain acceptance into the upper echelons of society, while Eddie Cheng, another cousin, schemes to improve his standing within the family.
As the story unfolds, secrets from the past are revealed, including Suyu's experiences during World War II, which shaped her legacy and influenced the decisions she makes about her estate. The novel explores themes of family, loyalty, betrayal, and the clash between tradition and modernity, all the with Kwan's signature blend of humor, luxury, and extravagance. In the end, Nick inherits Tearsall Park, and while the family continues to feud, they find moments of reconciliation, showcasing the complex dynamics of wealth, legacy, and family bonds. Characterization: Nicholas Nick Young, the protagonist of the series. He comes from a wealthy Singaporean family, lives a relatively modest life in New York City with his wife Rachel Chu. Rachel Chu, Nick's wife, who is originally from United States and unaware of his family's immense wealth until she meets them in Singapore. Suyu Hamayang, Nick's grandmother and matriarch for the Young family, she is a formidable and traditional figure who holds great influence over her family. Astrid Leung Teo, Nick's cousin who navigates her own personal struggles while dealing with family expectations in relationships. Eddie Ching, Nick's cousin and prominent figure in Singaporean society. He is ambitious and driven but faces challenges within his family Singaporean family. She is ambitious and often finds herself embroiled in scandals. Michael Teo, a street-estranged husband who struggles with insecurities and pressures of being married into a wealthy family. Olobert Sina, a flamboyant fashion designer and friends of the Young family. He brings humor and drama to the story with his extravagant lifestyle. Carlton Bawu, a wealthy businessman and member of the Young family's social circle. Colette Bing, a glamorous socialite known for her extravagant lifestyle and penchant drama. Kitty Bing, Colette's daughter who aspires to climb the social ladder and make advantageous connections. Philip Pilchu, Rachel's father who becomes embroiled in the drama surrounding Nick's family. Eleanor Young, Nick's mother who initially disapproves of Rachel but later comes to accept. Eleanor Young, Nick's mother who initially disapproves of Rachel but later comes to accept her. Shang Zuyu, Nick's grandmother who is a powerful and influential figure in Singaporean society. Corina Kotong, a gossip columnist who delights in reporting of the scandals and the intrigues of the wealthy elite. Edison Ching, Nick's cousin who is known for his playboy, antics and extravagant lifestyle. Keishan Casby, Colette's son, who is involved in the family's business and social affairs. Francesca Cho, an ambitious social climber who schemes to marry into the young family. Charlie Wu, a street performer, a acclaimed and a successful businessman who, who re-enters here. Colin Koo, Colin Koo, Nick's childhood friend who struggled with family expectations and his own identity. Keishan Chin, Oliver Chin's father and prominent member of Singaporean high society. Harry Leong, Suy's late husband and Nick's grandfather, whose legacy looms large over the young family. Jacqueline Ling, a socialite, a socialite and friend of the young family, known for her extravagant parties and lavish lifestyle. Eddie Ching Jr., Ching's son and member of the young generation of the family. Victoria Young, Nick's cousin, who is known for her glamorous and jet-setty lifestyle. Alexandra Alex Young, another of Nick's cousin, who is caught in the drama surrounding family inheritance. Bernard Tai, a flamboyant and eccentric member of Singaporean high society known for his outrageous behavior. Soy's loyal household staff. This includes Hamas trusted servants who have been with him for many years, such as Hamas secretary, Chief Pierre, and personal assistants. Alastair Ching, Nick's cousin and member of the younger generation of the Young family, known for his involvement in the arts scene. Annabel Ling, Jacqueline Ling's daughter, who is often caught up in the social drama of Singaporean high society.
Rich People Problems by Kevin Kwan is primarily in Singapore, a vibrant and modern city-state known for its economic success and luxurious lifestyle. The novel showcases the extravagant lifestyle of the ultra-wealthy, from lavish parties at the sprawling state by Tysel Park to designer shopping sprees in the city's opulent malls. In Manila, Philippines, the wealthy Go family resides here, showcasing the region's diverse cultural influences. As France, the City of Light serves as the backdrop for the characters' glamorous outing and shopping sprees, highlighting the global reach of their wealth. India. The novel delves into the rich cultural heritage of India, particularly during a Bollywood-inspired wedding proposal. Shanghai, China. The bustling metropolis of Shanghai is depicted as a center of business and power, showcasing the rapid economic growth of Asia. Point of view. Rich People Problems by Kevin Kwan is told from a third-person limited point of view, primarily focusing on the perspective of Astrid Leong, a strong-willed and independent woman navigating the complex world of Singapore's elite. While the narrative primarily follows Astrid's journey, it also offers glimpses into the thought and feelings of other characters, particularly her husband, Michael Theo, and her close friend, Picklin Go. The shifting focus allows readers to gain a deeper understanding of the characters, motivations, and the complexities of their relationships.
Themes: family drama. The novel explores the intricate web of relationships with the Shangyang family, revealing secrets, lies, and power struggles. Love and relationships. Astrid Leong's tumultuous romance with Charlie would take center stage while other characters navigate their own complicated relationships. Identity and social status. The novel pokes fun at the absurdities of the welter elite, showcasing their extravagant lifestyle and cutthroat competition for status, inheritance, and power. The battle for control of the family's estate Tearsal Park drives the plot, exposing the darker side of wealth and privilege. Here are some striking and impactful lines from Rich People Problems by Kevin Kwan. On wealth and privilege. Peel away the veneer of wealth and sophistication and you'll find extremely provincial, narrow-minded people. The problem is that they all have too much money and it's come so easily to them that they think they're bloody geniuses and so they are always right. On Inherited Fears, I've realized that so many of my fears are really my own. They're the fears of my mother, my father, my grandparents. I've just unconsciously internalized. Then I've let these fears affect every decision I make. On inherited fears, I've realized that so many of my fears are not really my own. They are the fears of my mother, my father, my grandparents. I've just unconsciously internalized them and have let these fears affect every decision I make. On forgivenesses. Remember what the radio host Delia always says. Forgiveness is a gift we give ourselves. If you think you are able to let things go without ever seeing here again, more power to you. Our love imperfection, the quality of the stone is not perfect, but when I wear it all always reminded me of how life can surprise you sometimes. The thing that the perseveres flowed can end up being the most perfect thing in the world for you. On loss and grief, no matter how old you are, no matter how ready you think you are, nothing quit prepares you for the loss of a parent. On love and imperfection, the quality of the stone is not perfect, but when I wear it, it always reminded me of how life can surprise you. Sometimes the thing that at first appears flawed can end up being the most perfect thing in the world for you. On loss and grief, no matter how old you are, no matter how you ready you think you are, nothing quit prepares you for the loss of a parent. Conflict. Rich people problems involve the inheritance battle following story explore issue of family, loyalty, power, struggles, and the clash between traditional values and modern aspiration. Key characters face personal dilemmas such as love betrayal and the expectations of their affluent social circles. Throughout the novel, themes of privilege, identity, and the impact of wealth and relationships are explored, creating rich tapestry of drama and humor as the characters navigate their complex lives. The conflicts not only drives the plot but also highlights the challenges faced by those in the upper echelons of society. Moral lesson: wealth is not the answer to a problem because money is just a material that makes the people greedy. Family is essential, but toxic relationships can be harmful. Love conquers all, including social status and wealth. The very important lesson that I learned in this novel is forgiveness and understanding the decision of each member of the family.